Wow, it is so beautiful.
It is very soft, Leo. For your mom?
$10. I have no money.
Mother's Day is next week. Hi, Mom. Are you okay?
Hi, Leo. Just a little tired. I love you, my sweet boy.
I love you too. Go rest. One penny. It is a start. Only 7 days left. I need to work fast. Mr. Tom, can I help you clean?
Wow, you are very fast.
Thank you, Mr. Tom.
Thank you, Leo. Here is some money.
2, 3, 4 pennies. It is getting heavy. I am washing the pot, Mom.
Leo, what are you doing? You are a very good boy, Leo. I will get that scarf.
Oh no, my penny, stop!
It is gone. I need more work.
Hello, Mrs. Green. Can I walk Buster?
Oh, yes, please, Leo.
Whoa, Buster, slow down, please!
Good job, Leo. Here are 50 cents.
Thank you so much for your payment. I need to work hard to get more money.
I feel very cold today.
Mom, are you sick?
Here is a warm blanket. Please sleep.
Thank you, my sweet boy.
Hot tea will help her feel better.
This is perfect, Leo. Thank you.
I am here for you, Mom.
3 days. I need $5 more. I do not play with this anymore. I can sell it. Oh no, rain! Nobody will buy my toys. I must protect them. They are for Mom's gift. Daddy, look! A red car.
How much is this, young man?
It is $2, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. $2! I am so... I am close. The red scarf. Where is it? Did someone buy it? Mr. Tom, the red scarf, is it gone?
Slow down, Leo. I saved it for you, Leo. I put it in a box.
Thank you, Mr. Tom.
Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Do you have $10?
I think so. I will count tonight. Tomorrow is the big day. I must have enough. Sleep well, Mom. Tomorrow you will smile. $9, $9.50, $99, $9.90, $9, $9.50, $9.90. I need one more dime. Please, please, just one small dime, Doro. Please, please, just one small dime. Please, please, just one small dime. Nothing here. Nothing in this one. I tried so hard. I am sorry, Mom. It is morning, Mother's Day. Ouch! What is in my shoe? A dime! My lucky dime from last month! $10! Exactly $10! I did it! I will be right back, Mom, with your surprise. Mr. Tom, open the door! I have it! I have $10!
Let us count. We must be sure.
Please be right. Please be right.
$10. Exact. Good job, boy. Here is the beautiful red scarf.
It is perfect. Bye, Tom. She will love it. She will look so pretty.
Sunday morning. So much cleaning to do today.
Good morning, Mom. Do not clean today.
Leo, why not? What is in your hands, Leo?
Close your eyes, Mom. It is a surprise.
My eyes are closed. I am ready. Okay, open them now. Leo, oh my goodness.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom!
But this is expensive. How did you buy this?
I saved pennies. I washed pots. I swept floors.
You worked so hard for me? Because you work hard for me, Mom. This is the best gift in the world.
I love you, Mom. Wow, you look like a movie star.
Thank you, my little hero.
Let's go to the park today. No cleaning. Really? Yay! Just you and me. The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it is a perfect Sunday.
Good morning. The scarf looks wonderful, Rosa.
Thank you, Mr. Tom. Leo is a wonderful boy.
We did it, Mr. Tom.
You did it, Leo.
Mom, look! Empty empty swings. Push me, please.
I am coming, my little monkey.
Higher, Mom! Higher!
Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Are you tired now, Mom?
No, Leo, I feel completely happy.
Working hard is difficult, but it feels good.
Hard work brings beautiful things.
Hello, Leo. Buster misses you.
Hi, Mrs. Green. Hi, Buster.
That is a beautiful scarf, Rosa. Leo worked very hard. Yes, he is my greatest treasure.
I am hungry, Mom.
Let's make a big dinner together.
I am a good worker and a good cook.
Yes, you are the best helper. You are wearing the scarf inside. I never want to take it off. Math is hard, but I am good at counting pennies. You are an expert at counting pennies.
Time for bed. I am sleepy.
Good night, my strong boy. Good night, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
The jar is empty now.
But my heart is full.
Next year, I will buy her a red hat.
Have a great day at school, Leo.
Bye, Mom. See you later.
I am so lucky.
What are you drawing, Leo?
My mom. She is a queen. Why is her scarf so bright red? Because it is made of hard work. Wow, that is really cool, Leo. Yeah. Hi, Mr. Tom. Any new jobs today?
You never stop, Leo. No jobs today, but here is a treat for a good boy.
Wow, thank you. Life is very good. That smells like cookies.
I made cookies for my favorite boy.
You are the best, Mom!
I love you more.
I love you! Subscribe and follow Learn English Method.